Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will introduce this one, Adidas Yeezy 500. You can see this one. My favorite color is purple, so I love this shoe so much. Okay, first we see the box. You can see the box is very traditional, 500, and you can see here the size 5.5, and Yeezy 500, and the number FW2650 2656. Okay, the shoes inside is very simple, just a paper. Okay, let's move to the shoes. First, you can see the shoes tonal here. Adidas is printed here, and this tonal may be made some leather material. It touch very soft, and you can see the leg. And here is Adidas symbol, and you can see the shoelace. And moving on to the back, I think the back is very simple and constant. Okay, move on to the inside. You can see the tongue, and here is the symbol. And we move on to the button. I think this button is very interesting, and add the comfortable. Okay, that's all I introduce about these shoes. If you have any question or you are interested in them, you can message me or WhatsApp, and you also can use this link to contact with me. Okay, that's all I introduce. See you next time.